Hi everybody, this is CR number 11, helper video number 2. First thing we're going to do is start by writing the problem down here. So we have 121 plus n equals 84. And it says that we're supposed to be solving for n. So when we're solving for n, that just means we want to get the n by itself. Well, the only thing that we can move away from the n is the 121. So I start by drawing my ladder. I want this n to be here by itself, so I'm going to remove the 121. Currently, it's a positive 121. The opposite of a positive 121 is a negative 121. Anything I do to one side, I do to the other. These cancel out, and I'm left with n equals. Now, here's the thing. The signs are different. I have more negatives than positives, so my answer must be negative. I want to know how many more negatives I have than positives, so I'm going to subtract those two numbers to find out. 2 becomes a 1, this becomes 11, 7, 1 becomes a 0, this becomes 11, 11 minus 8 is 3. So my answer is negative 37, and here it is. Good luck.